All right, fellas, sorry about it being night. I've been working on the car all night trying to see what's wrong with it. Okay, quick deal is my car just died on me. I thought it was the fuel pump, right? So I changed the fuel pump, I changed the fuel filter, changed all the spark plugs. It would just turn and never fire up. I come to find out there's a little button right here, this red button. You push that in and it's like a breaker for your fuel pump. All right, so if it hit a bump too hard, if you gas it too hard, or like me, I got speakers in my car, so I was jamming a little too hard and it tripped that breaker right there. So if you hit that breaker, I just pray and hope that it fixes your problems. This is a 1997 Grand Marquis. It's been down for about a week. I thought it was a fuel pump. I literally changed everything on it and it was just a simple breaker. So I pray that it fixes y'all's problems.